this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Head home for the holidays and cook outdoors to fry delicious, juicy, mouth-watering deep-fried turkey with King Kooker outdoor cooking products. Whether starting new traditions or continuing old ones, the King Kooker family prides itself on supplying delicious marinade and seasonings, accessories, and a variety of outdoor cooker packages to choose from that provide for an easy, safe, and memorable cooking experience that can be enjoyed on special occasions and all year around. Before cooking, read, understand, and follow all guidelines and instructions in your King Kooker instruction booklet. Always cook outdoors in the open on a non-combustible surface, never under an overhang. Leave at least a 10-foot clearance on all sides of the cooker. Keep children and pets away from the cooker, and never leave a cooker unattended while in use or still hot. Keep a BC or ABC fire extinguisher present. When cooking with oil or grease, always use a deep fry thermometer and thaw and dry food completely before cooking. Always perform the leak test and use the CSA certified battery operated timer supplied with your King Kooker. Fry your turkey at 350 degrees Fahrenheit at 3.5 minutes per pound. When the allotted time has passed and the cooker is turned off, using outdoor cooking gloves, slowly lift the turkey from the oil. Check the thigh joint. If the thigh joint is clear and appears to be completely cooked, the turkey is done. Also, don't forget to cook the sides outdoors in your King Kooker smoker. Once cooled, the feast centerpiece is ready to be sliced and served. Thank you for your business, and thank you for using King Kooker outdoor cooking products to prepare your family feast.
why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.